I'm Kirk Holding with the Living Spokane, North Idaho team, and if you've landed on this video, you've hit one of our new awesome listings. It's a great rancher, but before we get to that, I wanted to talk a little bit about what's going on in the market right now. We're coming into our spring-summer selling season, and we've had some good news because the average price has been down since last year, but the current inventory is at 2.2 months, which is down from last month, and so it's good for sellers. We're starting to see more buyers get out in the market, starting to see some more positive things. As far as this house goes, we got this listed at $720,000. It's coming in at $212 a square foot, 5-bedroom, 3-bath on this one, has a full basement. And one of the things we love about this house is it's got some pretty awesome views, and we'll have them in the video. We kind of got caught with some major windstorm here today, but awesome sunset views going out towards Bigelow Gulch, some of the hills, and we are very proximate to Green Bluff, about 10 minutes north of here, and then you've got the Arbor Crest Winery, which is about 5 minutes east of here. So a lot of cool things close, but we're going to get to the inside tour, and we'll get to it right now. Okay, you made it to the basement, which is one of the other things I love about this house is it has a full daylight walkout basement, which just harder to find. It's harder to find those lots with the right grade to get a true daylight basement. So you got tons of light in here. We got several more bedrooms and a bathroom. This one also has a custom workout room. And by the way, all the workout equipment stays here with the house. Also got a little golf simulator in the garage. That also stays with the house as well. So again, you can enjoy the views in the evening, and we've got a nice hot tub set out here. We'll have some pictures of that you can enjoy those sunset views going out to the Bigelow Hills there. And again, if you're looking to do a tour, just give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. We'll be happy to get something set up. And if you're looking to make a move in the next year or 90 days, just give us a buzz. We'd love to sit down and talk about how to make that happen. So thanks again.